following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Smith County Sheriff's Office is searching for Zachariah Sutton, black, male, 5 years old, height 3 feet 5 inches, 60 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing a gray jumpsuit and black and white tennis shoes. Police are looking for Pamela Medlock, 59 years old, black, female, height 5 feet 6 inches, 135 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and last seen wearing a maroon plaid jacket and khaki pants, in connection with her abduction. The suspect is driving a dark green Jeep Wrangler bearing unknown Texas license plate. The suspect was last seen in Overton, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Smith County Sheriff's Office at 903-566-6600. News media point of contact is the Smith County Sheriff's Office at 903-566-6600.